Did you know that you could use Claude AI and Higgsfield together? They actually link to actually create images, create videos, do whatever, right? Higgsfield is my favorite AI video and image generator platform. And I just recently found out that I could actually connect my Claude AI to my Higgsfield and use Claude to create any image or whatever automatically, right? And what I've been doing is I actually started a YouTube channel to bring the Bible to life. So I'm making videos like this using this strategy, cinematic, Bible-based videos. It's completely faceless, and my YouTube channel is growing. And the thing is, y'all, if you grow a YouTube channel and you get 1,000 followers and 4,000 views, you can monetize that channel. So this is a super easy way that you guys can create and use your passions completely faceless, grow a YouTube channel, and actually make money from it. So I'm about to show you, it's super short, super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Claude to Higgsfield and use it to create a faceless channel. So let's get into it. All right, guys. So this is exactly how you connect Claude to Higgsfield. Now, if you don't have a Higgsfield account, just go to higgsfield.com, sign up for the account. Yes, there is a monthly. I think I pay for the pro version, which is like $49 a month. I also pay for extra credits because I'm building faceless YouTube channel, and I need to make a lot of content. So for me, it's definitely worth it. Depending on what you guys do, you can use this to start your own financial services business. If you're into true crime, if you're into digital products, if you're into just teaching, or you have your own coaching business, whatever, you guys can use this for whatever you want to do. But just realize there is an investment in the Claude AI. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not an affiliate of Claude. I'm just showing you guys how I'm using this to actually create a faceless channel that I can eventually monetize. And the channel's been growing. It's been freaking awesome. So I'm just going to share my screen and show you guys how to connect Claude AI to Higgsfield. So when you guys go to Higgsfield, right? This is my Higgsfield account. So all you have to do is come to the home screen in Higgsfield, and you scroll down to the bottom, right? Just scroll down to the bottom. Higgsfield is so freaking awesome. And then what you want to do is you want to click on, where is it? Right here. You want to click on Claude MCP, right? Now, Claude, it's so simple, y'all. So like all you're going to do is open your Claude settings, right? Click on, once you launch Claude, you go to settings and you go to connectors. Hit add custom connector. You're just going to copy this link right here, and then you're going to connect and sign in. And once you sign in, this is kind of how it works, right? So now I'm in Claude, right? So basically all I did was I went here, I went to settings, and I went to, where was it? Connectors, and that's where I connected my Higgsfield, right? So you guys see Higgsfield right here in my connectors. It's super simple, super easy, right? But once I got into Claude, and once I decided, hey, I want to bring the Bible to life, right? And so what I did is I started my YouTube channel, and I put in my idea into Claude, and I told Claude, "Hey, I want to start a faceless YouTube channel that brings the Bible to life, just using scripture and then turning that scripture into video." And then once I did that, right, all I did was it started spitting out scripts. It started giving me ideas, shot by shot image generation, and then it gave me scenes for the scenes breakdown. You see how it goes. So the first one I wanted to do was Matthew, the peace be still story that's in the Bible, Matthew 8. It's one of my favorite Bible verses, because it's basically telling you that, hey, have faith in God. If you have faith in God, everything else will fall in line. I'm breaking it down. That is paraphrasing. Don't take it word for word, but go read Matthew 8, guys. It'll do a lot of good in your life, right? So what it started doing was it actually started creating the images for me, right? So not only what it did was it created the images for each scene, but then it also allowed me to animate those images right from here. All I had to do was hit animate and it'll turn this scene into, it turns that scene into live thing, right? And so after a while, right, because Higgsfield uses credits to generate, to for your usage, but if you have certain packages, like you can use Nano Banana Pro 2 and you can get unlimited generations, right? So far, Claude has issue pulling from the unlimited generations. So eventually, because I didn't want to use up all my credits and I knew I had a plan that used Nano Banana that I could use it unlimited and create unlimited generations, eventually I just started having Claude give me the image prompts. And then I just started copying and pasting the prompts into Higgsfield myself, right? But if you guys have credits, right, you can have Claude actually create the images right here, and then you can have it animated. So like you see this scene right here is animated now, right? And it's so super simple, right? And just to show you guys how this is working, right? It'll even give you what the cool part about this too, right? Is that Claude will give you a virality predictor. So you could see that Claude gave this scene a 50 out of 100 just out of its chances of going viral, right? It's so cool, guys. You can use it in so many different ways, right? But this is cool thing, right? So if I go to my YouTube channel, and I'm going here to the channel and let me just view the channel. And I just started this a few weeks ago, right, guys? Like I just started this channel a few weeks ago, guys. If you like, and this is another thing. If you guys want to do me a favor, help me out, go to the Living Word at the Living Word and just subscribe, right? If you guys want to see the Bible brought to life, it's so cool, right? But, just after a few weeks with 47 videos, which is completely effortless on my part, I got 239 subscribers. Guys, if I get this to 1,000 subscribers and I get 4,000 watch hours, I can monetize this channel. So, like, this is the latest one. This is the latest one that I made right here, right? And this was the story of Jesus bringing Lazarus back to life. But you can see the quality of what you can come up with, right? It's so cool. And I'm actually bringing the Bible to life. So look at the quality, right? And this is 720p. I didn't even make it in 4K, but it looks like a movie, right? It looks like a straight movie. Yo, it's so cool, man. Like, look at Jesus. You know what I'm saying? And you can make like little mini movies. It's so awesome. It's so awesome. So guys, that is the simplest and easiest way that you can use Claude AI and Higgsfield together. And you can just let your imagination run wild. Like imagine if you got your own coaching business, or imagine if you wanted to do UGC and you didn't want to actually be on the video yourself, but you can make yourself in the video and make endless UGC content. If you have your own school community and you want to be able to promote that, you can use it for that, or you can use it for content within inside your school community. If you want to do a finance channel, if you like, just think there are endless possibilities that you can use this from, but it starts with just simply connecting Claude to Higgsfield and letting your imagination run wild. So, hey, if you guys want more videos like this, make sure that you like, subscribe, share. In next video, I'm going to show you how you can use HeyGen, create your own character, and use that for UGC content. So, hey, I'll see you guys on the next video. Appreciate all the love and support that you give in advance. And peace. See you on the next video.